private beach, guys, that belongs to the area where I live. And I just thought I'd come and walk down to the beach after being at Couples yesterday. I still wanted some more beach, so I've come out today just to chill, drinking water. So I'm just here chilling, guys. Sunday afternoon. I think it's after 1 o'clock now. Let's check. Yeah, 1:38. So I'm gonna chill here for a couple hours and then I'm gonna walk down to Flavors Beach. Flavors Beach is up there. So we're gonna walk along the beach line all the way down, guys. Down, down, down. It's Flavors Beach. And we're gonna check it out down there. But here is just quiet. And most of the people from my community. I hope you can hear me. I wonder if I should put the mic on. So I hope you can hear me. I'm talking a bit low because I'm in public. So, but yeah. But that's it, guys. Back in a bit, yeah. Save battery, save space. That's what we're doing today. When I'm walking down to Flavors, I will come back. Alrighty. Guys, I'm walking down to Flavors Beach. So we're walking down to the local beach now. And if they're playing music in a while, I'll have to go over it. know there's one tricky bit of rock where me have to climb over. Okay, selling your things. I have all these things, you know, I stopped wearing them. Yeah. Some trick clips, guys, along the beach. Filming. Have a good day. You can put your shell them on my video. You can film your shells.
Yeah, man. You're welcome, man.
Yeah, man. Me and God. No. I'm good. Huh? I'm selfish. I'm selfish. Shells are pretty. The shells are pretty. Huh? That was just a chill day at the beach. Now I'm going home. Yeah, beach is over there behind me. Flavours. And it's walking distance. Maybe depends, man, on how your energy is. But 15 minutes. So we're just going to stroll up the road. I'm contemplating whether to stop at my aunt's, say hi, but I'm really hungry. I don't know about that, but it's not too bad. I thought I'd feel more mash up. I wonder if I should be walking on the other side. That car felt close. I thought I'd feel more worse walking home, but actually it's not bad. There's a little breeze. I think I should be on the other side. Can't see what's coming behind me. Oh no, the sun is there, but it's behind the cloud. I want it to stay behind the cloud. It's peeking out, guys. So, let me show you. I'm just walking along. The beach line is over there. Flavors is over there. And I live down there, turn left. My area is nice, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I can't wait to reach my doorstep. I can't wait to reach my doorstep. Jana. But this is good exercise, guys. Just think of it as exercise. Yeah. We'll soon reach home. It's a long time I haven't had a good walk. So, I had a really, really good day yesterday at the couples resort with my mum. It was nice. And I didn't even realise it was Mother's Day in England. So, that was a good Mother's Day as well. We were talking about it this morning. Just to remember not to go out in the roads because I don't know if cars are coming down behind me. I'll hold this up and then so yeah, thank you very much, my friend, who gave me the day out. These are the type of places around here. Runaway Bay Golf Club. Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much to my friend who gave me the stay for the day at Couples in Tower Isle. We had a good time. My mum really enjoyed herself. Cracked some jokes. Yeah. This golf course don't look like it's being used right now. Look, mash up, guys. I don't think they're using that golf course. Even the fence is mashed down. The grass is unkept. That could be since COVID. So this is a good exercise. And I'm going home. There's no food to show you. I didn't eat outside. And my mum cooked, wait for it, spaghetti bolognese, mate. With lashings of grated cheese. That's what I'm going home to eat. So I could have stayed out there longer, but what it is, it's not going to be dark for maybe a couple hours, but just, I'll tell you what it is mainly. Mosquitoes seem to come alive at 4 o'clock. And when I'm on the beach late, them sandflies. The sandflies are worse than mosquitoes, guys. The sandflies, man. Oh my god. It's like little prickles just all over your skin. This is good exercise, and you know what? There's some gloomy clouds. Look at that, guys. There's some gloomy clouds like it's gonna rain, Rasta. Yeah. We don't want to get caught in them. I don't want to get caught in no rain, guys. Definitely these golf courses, look, all the netting tear down. These golf courses are not being used. Make sure the man not stop and I walk behind me. Why? Watch this one coming down on his bike right in front of me now, head-on collision on his pedal bike. I'm gonna see if him now move. My aunt's road. I'm not gonna stop there. That's my aunt's road, but I'm not gonna stop there. Going home, I'm hungry, mate. Had half a bottle of rum cream. What else? And one can of wine from the aeroplane. And a Malta. This morning I had fish and bread. Me hungry right now, Rasta. Can't feed. COVID really had an effect, you know, guys. It really did. When I reach my road, I'll come back. I'm not tired, I feel hot. It's a good walk out. We'll sleep tonight. And I never swim for long. Yeah, them fatty. Rank. I only wet up myself a couple of times really in the water, guys. This is a trod. It's a little bit of a trod. I could have took a taxi. But I'm thinking exercise. Because I've been very lazy. I've just been eating and lie down. Yeah, left at the right time because there's a nice fresh breeze blowing, guys. The older I get, you know, I just get more afraid. Guys, I'll come back when I can come back. I'll come back when I can come back. Rasta ja. That me not like, you know. When the car passed me, I should really be on the other side. I don't know, it's coming down. And I'm walking wibbly wobbly. You know what, my car licked me down, you know. My house is just round the bend. My road is just round the bend, not my house. Can you see where that white van is? White car, them cars pulling up. That's me. So we'll be back. Look at this, guys. Nike house. I don't like it. I think it's horrible. Why would you put a Nike on your house? Look at that. Marge's Villa. Foolishness that Nike tick. Nearly home, guys. It's like the long walk to Nazareth. Trust me. Nearly home. There's a big one here being built. Look at the size of that. Going up. Huge. By the time I come back, it'll be finished. Wall up. And that's how they dig out the land, guys. People's land. Look at that. It's big. There's that horrible house that I don't like. What is it about? Mermaids. My uncle said that's Medusa, but I think it's the sun. But Medusa or the sun, guys? No, sir. Can hear something coming behind me. My boss. I'm nearly home now, about another 5 minutes. Tired. Have a nice shower and look for food. There's my house. I can see my house, guys, through the trees, trust me. I just saw it. I'm nearly home. I can see the roof of my neighbour's house there as well. Oh my God, I'm tired. I'm glad I've done it. Feel accomplished, guys. Done this walk before, there and back. It's an exercise, trust me. It's an exercise. There's our house. There's Mommy. Woo. I feel a burst of energy all of a sudden. Like I could run to the rest of the house. Lying out there. Couldn't lift my foot for a run. My foot couldn't lift to run. I think I've done well, man. Proud of myself. Because sometimes I feel mashed up, mate. So I'm glad I can still do a walk. You don't know how glad I am to see my yard. There's me glad. Me glad, guys. I won't distance me walking now. Remember, this is just my road. Exercise, guys. Nearly there. right turn is me. Going straight in the shower, I am. Straight in the shower. So good to see it. There's a time when I thought I'd never gonna see it again. Lord have mercy. We reach, guys. We reach. Home sweet home, guys. Home sweet home. Back in a minute. Guys, I made it home. I made it home, let me tell you. I feel mash up and I feel good. I'm going in the shower right now. I'm going in the shower right now. Yeah, guys. But I made it home. That was a walk and a half. That was an exercise. And I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I feel it, the walk, but I don't feel tired or mash up or like I'm gonna die. I feel alright. We're gonna get in the shower now. If you can see behind me, look how my back's sweaty. Look. Yeah, man. I work out. So yeah, that was just a walk to the beach and back. Now I'm gonna shower, guys. Video done for tonight. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Gonna shower, eat, try to edit videos until I drop asleep. That was it for Sunday. God bless ya. Look at my dress. Can see where I'm sweating. See that in the mirror there? I feel accomplished. I feel accomplished. I feel like I went gym to right back. Guys, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thanks for joining, and if you're returning, thank you for returning. Gotta go, gotta go. Diva is out until the next one. Bye, bye.